Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, we finally got a look at the Galaxy Watch Active. It looks awesome, but it's small. Now, what came with the Galaxy Watch Active also is the Galaxy Fit and the Galaxy Fit E. Now, for the Galaxy Watch Active, you will get it in 4 colors. You're going to get it in silver, black, rose gold, and green, and it's going to be running Tizen 4.0. One UI is what they're calling it, right? It's going to have a GPS on board. You're going to have Bluetooth 4.2. You're going to have 5 ATM water resistant, which means you can go swimming in this. You can detect up to 6 different exercises at one time. Also, you're going to get 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, Exynos 9110 dual core processor, 4 gigabytes of storage. Battery life is going to be 236 milliamp hour battery, which is shy from what we got off of the original Galaxy Gear. The resolution is going to be a 360 by 360 1.1 inch display. So this device is going to be smaller than the Galaxy Watch. That's not what I was looking for. They didn't make 2 versions. They only made 1. So it's going to come in one size fit all, which is a 40 millimeter in size. Now, so far as Samsung Pay, you will not get the magnetic strip technology. Still, you still have to rely on NFC as well. Galaxy Fit and the Galaxy Fit E is concerned, those are going to be geared to people who are strictly into just exercising. Going to get a lightweight smartwatch. It looks like the Gear Fit all day long. So with that being said, the price was right. $99 for the Galaxy Fit and the Galaxy Fit E, and for the Galaxy Watch Active you're going to pay $199, which I thought was a good deal for both smartwatches. So if you're looking for this and you pre-order, if I'm not mistaken, if you pre-order, you should be able to get a free charging dock with this deal. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.